So in this session, we'll be looking at something called the daily candlestick confirmation. So on the daily candlestick confirmation, we usually use this confirmation mostly in the daily time frame. So for example, we could have this trend right here. Let's say we could have a downtrend. We have this downtrend, and price gets to, let's say, give us something like this, a consolidation. Then price breaks the structure. At this time, we got the point that we have a downtrend and we are expecting price to give us a pullback, then a continuation. But at this time, if you try to check out very well, it's like we have lots of structures on our way, and it's actually confusing what structure will be respected and what structure won't be respected. As you can see, we have this structure right here. We also have another structure. We have a new invalidation. We have an invalidation. We have a structure retest. We have a break and retest structure, and we can't take out all of these trades. The risk will be very, very high. So what we are going to do, remember we are talking about the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. What we'll be doing at this time, we will draw our lines, our anticipated lines, then wait for price to give us a confirmation candlestick. When you talk about the confirmation candlestick, we are talking about the reversal candlesticks, the ones that we learned in the beginner level. So for example, right here, let me give you an example. So at the time we're waiting for price to respect any of our structures. So let's say price could break our first, second, third, fourth, fifth structure and get to respect this structure right here by giving us a reversal candlestick. It could be maybe a dodge, or let's say dragonfly or harami, any reversal candlestick. So after getting a reversal candlestick at our entry point, remember, for you to realize that you have a reversal candlestick, that day has to end. Okay, so that candlestick can close, and for you to know the results. So on the next day, straight after this day right here, is the day that we will start looking for a sell trade. So from this day right here, what price mostly do is that price creates a candle body. Price gives us a wick, then proceeds creating some lows. But if you try to drop out in lower time frames, you'll get to realize that this wick has got to respect any of our structures in our strategy. It could be an invalidation, any invalidation, or maybe a structure retest, any structure within our strategy. So in order for us to find this trade, we have to drop into lower time frames and use the whole knowledge we have to get a sell trade. So that's how we actually get a sell trade right here at this. So this will be even, you'll be more profitable. And rather than taking all of these trades right here, the risk would have been very, very, very high. Okay. So that's an example, just in case we have a downtrend. And if we have an uptrend, it's also going to be the same. So let's say this is our uptrend right here. Then price gives us something like this, like a consolidation. Then price gets to break structure. At this point, we have a pullback and we have lots of structures going on. As you can see, we have our first structure. We have our second, we have another structure right here. We also have another structure right here. So what we're going to do, we'll do the usual. We'll wait for a reversal candlestick at our entry point. So price could create some lows and give us a reversal candlestick, let's say right here. So after getting a reversal candlestick right here, on the next day, this day right here, we'll start looking for a buy trade by using the whole knowledge we have, the whole techniques we have to get a buy trade right here. So we will have to drop into lower time frames so that we can see clear structures to get a buy trade. And most of the time we'll find ourselves getting a buy trade at the bottom of this week so that we can proceed creating some highs. So let's even try to check out some live examples. Let's try to check out some live examples.